Hello, in this video we'll be talking about how to set up a form so that users are required to enter data within specific fields. Elements can be flagged as required on a form and a status indicator added to show the percentage of required fields that have been completed. Here we are now in the editor, and to get started we'll click on the page's background to open up the options table. One of the ways to ensure that you are working within the form's attributes is by verifying that the type ID is 0. To show the status indicator on the form, an attribute of show status indicator is added with a value of true. After publishing the form, you will note the completion label along with the percentage of completion is added to the top right of the form. The NaN% indicates that there are currently no elements flagged as required. The next step is to add the isRequired attribute to every element required for the form to be considered complete. Element types of text areas, text boxes, drop-downs, checkboxes, and date pickers can be set as required fields. For our example, we want the principal, date, school year, and checkbox to be flagged as required. For all 4 elements, the attribute would be isRequired with the value of the student initiative ID, which is found in the address bar. After publishing the form, we can see by filling in the fields that the completion status reaches 100% when the 4 flagged elements are filled in. Another feature available is to indicate that a given field is required, however, simply provide a pop-up notice when the user enters data into the field. To accomplish this, after selecting the element to be flagged, add an attribute of display is required with a value of the student initiative ID. Within the published form, note that this feature doesn't add the element into the completion percentage, but will display this is a required field when the user is entering data.